Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making super easy, quick and incredibly tasty paneer stir fry. This recipe comes together in just 5 minutes and is perfect for vegetarians looking for delicious source of protein. I've taken paneer cut into cubes. To this I'm adding some salt and black pepper. Give it very gentle mix so the paneer doesn't break. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Gently coat the paneer by rolling it in the flour mixture. Here is a small tip. If your paneer feels dry, it may be hard for the flour to stick. In that case, just sprinkle a little water before adding salt and pepper. That will help with coating stick better. Once the paneer looks evenly coated, keep it aside. Now heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Dust off excess flour from the paneer cubes and start placing them on the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for a minute or two. You can also replace paneer with extra firm tofu or halloumi cheese if you prefer. Flip and fry each side until golden and crispy. You'll see a beautiful crust forming on the outside while the inside stays soft. Once done, transfer the paneer to a bowl and keep it aside. In the same pan, add little more oil if needed. Now add onion petals and slit green chillies for some heat. Saute for about a minute just until the onion turns slightly soft but still retain their crunch. Next add bell peppers of your choice. Saute for another 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook them. They should stay slightly crisp for that perfect stir fry texture. Add salt to taste. Now add the roasted paneer back into the pan. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce and give it a quick mix. Next add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Mix everything gently so the paneer stays intact and gets coated evenly in the sauce. Finally, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder for mild heat and flavor. Give it one last gentle mix. Garnish with freshly chopped spring onions. And that's it. Your quick paneer stir fry is ready. It turns out so delicious that you will want to make it again and again. Serve it as a snack, side dish, or even in wraps and rolls. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out.